Every Filipino is born with rights. Rights that define our freedom, protect our dignity, and ensure our future. Article 3, Section 1 of the Philippine Constitution guarantees every Filipino the rights to life, liberty, and property. It is a promise that no one will be deprived of these fundamental rights without due process of law. This right ensures you can live freely, provide for your family, and create a better life safe from unfair treatment or harm. Liberty means having the freedom to speak, to believe, and to pursue your dreams while being protected by laws that uphold fairness and justice for all. Article 3, Section 1 is more than just words. It is a commitment to every Filipino's freedom, security, and dignity. Together, let us know, cherish, and defend our rights.